thing that catches the eye is our innovative and unique design. So let's start with the outside. A fundamentally redesigned front of our washing machines and tumble dryers. Firstly, with high quality glass and black effect at the slim fascia panel as well as the door section. Secondly, with a clean and clear design language as you know from Miele. Thirdly, our new ambient light emphasizes the high quality overall impression and makes operation even more enjoyable. It highlights certain elements, for example, the door opening lighting or our automatic detergent dosing system, Twindos. By the way, if you think about sustainability, Twindos is the system. Next, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the convenience of these flagship models, which are designed to make life easier for our consumers. We are setting new standards in terms of a new intuitive user interface and other conveniences. Exclusive features which we are convinced will delight our consumers. A movement sensor that automatically switches on the appliance when you approach it. Combined with the second feature, Comfort Open, and I'll just demonstrate it. The door opens with a gentle touch. Both are super practical, especially when you're carrying a full laundry basket. And it doesn't stop there. Not only has the design of the glass door been adapted, the size has also been significantly optimized with a 25% larger diameter. This makes it easier to load, especially with large items such as bathrobes, blankets, and curtains. And, ladies and gentlemen, yet another aspect of convenience and a real pioneer in washing machine operation that will also inspire the next generations of other Miele product ranges. Our new M-Touch Pro color display. Bigger, brighter, and better. Program selection is simple and intuitive with just a tap. Dear guests, of course, there is a lot more to our new flagship model.